Hi YouTubers. Tonight is just show and tell. I just had a little something to show you I was working on today. And it's just show and tell because this is easy to make. It's just thick chain. I wish you could really see this because this chain is really pretty. It's really real pretty gold chain. And it's just charms. I mean not charms, but just beads connected to the chain. That's all you have to do is just connect those beads to the chain. And that's it. It's just making charms onto a big thick chain. It's really pretty, but the camera is not that great. I'm getting a new camera, so that's coming real soon, so you guys will be able to see my stuff a lot better. This is really cute to make, really different to make, and then you could just, of course, make earrings to match it. The earrings on the side over there. Of course, the beads are whatever beads you want to put on there. I bought the beads from Joanne Fabrics. They're blue and a brownish color, like bead. Blue and a brownish color, like bead. And I did the earrings to match. See if I can bring those up a little bit. I did the earrings to match them. Really cute. And then of course the necklace. You can't see that really good. The beads are really cute on there. I wish you could see it. But I'm getting a new camera, so that's coming. And then I made bracelets today. I made these because it's a lady that I go to bingo with. She I had wore a bracelet to bingo, and she wanted me to make her a bracelet. So I made her this one. Wait a minute now. I made her this one, and they're Swarovski crystals. You know Swarovski crystals is a lot. I mean, not a lot, more expensive to make. And I put a charm on there. I put her birthstone on there, which is real pretty. You can't see that either today. But the charm on there is garnet. That's her birthstone. And I know you can't see it, but those are Swarovski crystals in between the beads. And the beads are Swarovski beads on this one. Even the beads are Swarovski beads except for that big one. And these two pink ones darker pinker ones on the side. Those, it's real cute. She loved it and she wanted me to make her mother one, so I made it a little different, but it still has the Swarovski crystals in between, and those are a little bit more expensive, and you know how sparkly they are. And I think that's what attracted her attention, that it was sparkling while I was playing bingo, and she was like, "Oh, I love your bracelet." So I made her one, and then made her mother one. So that's something different. So tonight is just ideal night tonight. And let me see, is this better now? So tonight is ideal night, and I just wanted to show you what I was working on tonight, and that's it. I can't get this to, if you can see the gold on here, the gold is really pretty. But of course, and it's just beads on it, beads that are on a chain, and that's it. That's all there is to it. See, the gold is coming in and out, in and out. Okay, so, but I'm getting a new camera. I just hope I learn how to work it, because I think part of my problem is not knowing how to work this camera. That's what I think it is. But I did everything I thought I could do to try to make it better. But anyway, this is it. And it really is cute. It's different. It's something different to make, different ideal. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.